Hey guys, just got my order from W Concept. I literally ordered this on Monday and it came from New York City. Guys, dead. Oh, the size is so cute. Okay, I hope I love the color. Oh my god. Wow, I love it. It's the perfect size. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna put all my mushy charms on it. Let's check the inside. Here's a strap. That's the inside's got a little slip pocket on one side, and it just has the MargeSherwood kind of lining on the inside. And it does have a little strap. So this is the MargeSherwood soft mini tote in the washed brown pull-up color. Okay guys, so I just recently got my MargeSherwood soft mini tote. Now I want to try and put the stuff that I've got in my Aggie PM inside to see, what it holds, and also I'm going to give this bag a break because I have everything out. Tissues. This came off my bag, so amazing. Got my Apple Watch because it's like flat. Wipes and candle. That's pretty much all that I have in here. I also have lip products and pens in the zipper, and some coins. Ooh. I'm really loving the color. Okay, so I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max that fits. Let's see if she fits comfortably in the bag. Perfect. I've got this little pouch where I usually keep bullet and all that stuff, purely because I didn't want to damage the inside of my bag, so I'll probably go ahead and put all my lip gloss and pens in here as well. Looks like a little catch-all. Oh, perfect. Fold the tissues up and put them in. The perfume definitely can fit in here. And that. So that's pretty much the bag. It's not even stuffed, and I love that it has 2 zips as well. So that is amazing. Okay, so now I got the charms off my bag, and let's go. That little part here, I wonder if I can hang it across to the other side. If that, I'm not sure if that'll be too much. That's how that looks. It's all just draping across the bag. Fab. That's how it looks.